What is Elementor? Elementor is a drag and drop page builder um, that is mainly used for WordPress websites. It allows you to create beautiful pages using Visual Editor. If you go to elementor.com, it's going to show you a page like this, and this is Elementor landing page. Elementor is mainly used to design dynamic websites, and it allows provides a one all-in-one solution for web developers and website designers. And Elementor as well gives you flexibility and a total control of every part of your website design. Everything coupled together in a single platform. And Elementor as well gives you the opportunity to customize your website to fit your brand with motion effects, as you can see here. And you can as well make use of custom fonts. You can make use of multiple fonts on your website. You can add background images to your website. So Elementor actually is very easy to work with, most especially for someone that is just getting started or needs a quick solution to build a website. You can make use of the live drag and drop editor functions. Then you can create a complete full website design using Elementor Builder, and it also offers world-class hosting.